Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature in Microsoft Teams, the possibility that if you change a channel name, it will also change correspondingly the folder's name, which is stored in the document library in SharePoint. So just to show you how it looks before we change it, we're now on a team site called Demo Sync. I'll go to Channel HR. I'll go to the File tab. Click on the three dots and open in SharePoint. So I get directly to the folder of the channel. If I go back and I see there's a new grouping that between library folders within a library and in a channel. If I open them, I see all of the folder channels. We can see also private channels and shared channels. So let's see what happens when I change it. My expectation is that it will also change in order that it will be consistent. So let's go back here. Instead of HR, I'll click the three dots and do edit the channel, and let's call it HRIL, and let's save it. So we see the title has changed here. Let's go to the File tab. Let's open in SharePoint. And let's see if it has changed. I'll click back. I'll open the channel. I now see that it's called HRIL. The strange thing is that within the breadcrumb, it has not changed it. But from here, it's the same. So let's try to do the same also for a private channel. So we see corporate is private. We can go to corporate and I will click the three dots, edit the channel. Instead of corporate, we'll call it corporate IL and I will press save. It has changed here. It has changed also in the title. In the file tab, we'll open it in SharePoint. Now a private channel actually opens a separate site. So as you can see here, there's a site called Team Channel, and we have Corp, and for some reason it does not change that. But if we go back to the parent, we will see that the name has changed. So let's see, let's open in channel. So we see this corporate IL has changed, but once we get there, it does not change it. Let's go for the share channels and see what happens there. So I'll click the three dots on the share channel, edit the channel. Let's call it share USA. So it will change the name of the folder, but within the site it will not change it. Let's do open in. So this is the corporate. We didn't want the corporate. Let's close everything. Let's open it again. Share channel. And we will click on file. And we will say open in SharePoint. It took me to the wrong thing. Channel team. Let's go back to the parent. Let's look in the document library. We see that the name has changed over here, but when we go directly, it does not really change it here. You see that the URL is demo sync and then shared. So it created. Let's see what happens when we change it again. So because we tested it one time, we would like to test it again. So HRIL will not be HRIL, it will be HRUSSR. So let's just go now to open in SharePoint. Let's refresh. And we see that HR has changed. Let's do the same thing for the private channel. Instead of corporate IL, let's call it UK. And let's open it in SharePoint. Let's go to the parent. And we see actually that it has changed. So this is exactly what I wanted to show you. Test it on yourself. I'm currently on public preview, so it's not still a general availability. There might be some bugs, but in general, this is how it's going to work. Goodbye.